Hey guys, in this video we will be learning about how to put a table onto our website using Wix. So if you look kind of down the menu bar on the left, you're not going to see a table. And if you go into the add button where we usually add most of our features, table isn't among our options. Okay, so again, if you don't see something and you want to put it on your website, you have to go to the next item under the little plus add sign, and it's called the App Store. So we're going to click on that, and we need to search for a specific product, and it's called Table Master. And it's this item right here with a little cloud and a blue table called Table Master. We're going to click on that. And we're going to click Add to Site. Again, it's free, so we don't have to pay for this. Okay, so again, it's just going to insert something into your website, and obviously it's not right. And this information doesn't make any sense. It just says, again, up at each of the column the top of each column, again, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and a whole bunch of random numbers. Okay, first of all, we're going to fix that by putting in some real information. So I'm going to double click. And I'm going to change, again, all this random information into something that makes sense. I'm going to put kind of like a team standings. So at the top column, at the top of the column, I'm going to write team. And in the one to the right, I'm going to write wins. So in this column, I'm going to put a whole bunch of random teams. Let's say KCI, WCI, FHCI, and I don't know, Bluebell, which is BCI. And let's say KCI had 15 wins this season. WCI had 10. Forest Heights or FHCI had 8, and I'll leave Bluebell at 5. Okay, so again, I want to keep these columns, but I want to get rid of column 3 and column 4. So I have to delete everything from these columns for them to disappear. Okay, so I've deleted everything, and I want to update my table. So I need to scroll down and click Submit. I'm just going to close this for a second. And you're going to notice, again, all the information in my table has updated. And again, it has team names in the first column and the number of wins for each team in the second column. Okay, so that's how we change the information in our table. Now I want to change what it looks like. So I'm going to double click on it again. And I'm going to scroll down in this pop-up box. And the first thing I'm going to go to is Settings. And I'm going to uncheck some things. I want to uncheck Search. And I want to uncheck Allow Sorting. So again, now a whole bunch of stuff has just disappeared that I don't need in my table. Okay, now I'm going to click on the Design menu. I'm going to change what it looks like. So the first thing is Header Footer. And right now it's gray. And let's change that to a blue and click OK. So you're going to notice the header, or the top and bottom of my table, is now a different color. I'm going to change my title background, which is this kind of gray kind of top row in my table where all my, again, names of each of my columns are. And I'm going to change that to a yellow. Okay, here I could change, again, the color of the font in my table, but I'm going to leave it black for now. And you're going to see, like, in your table, each, again, row kind of alternates between a darker color and a lighter color. So right now it goes from light blue to dark blue, back to light blue, to back to dark blue. And I'm going to change, again, each of the odd rows to a light kind of minty green. Click OK. And I'm going to click, or for my even rows, I'm going to make a darker green, like a hunter green, and then click OK. So again, you can make a whole bunch of other changes. You can change kind of the outside border color. I'll make mine a black and OK. And I'll make it a little thicker. And I think that's all the changes I want to make. So when I'm all done, I click X. So again, I have a table now with, again, information and different colors. So again, now we know how to insert a table using WIX.